Starting off on hot and sour soup now. This is a Homestyle we came up with. We had a lot more ingredients than they do in the restaurant. Mainly pork, add pork to it, and bean sprouts, bamboo shoots, uh, ginger, a lot of ginger. And first off, I'm going to start with a pound thinly sliced pork shoulder, and I'm just going to brown that first before we add any wet ingredients to it. I've got it sliced fairly thin into bite-sized cubes there. Pork's brown, make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan there to get any of the remnants off of there. And ginger's good in there. Two jugs of it here. I might have to add more. Mushrooms in there now. Make sure these are good and clean. I already washed these. And probably doesn't need that many, but start putting this in there and it'll start to dissolve and fall apart. And they'll start to fall apart when they now we're just going to let that come up to a boil, cook for a couple minutes, and then we're going to put a well beaten egg in there and let it and stir it really good. And that should be it. I'm going to go sit down and take a break while this cooks some more. And that's the hot and sour soup, Homestyle. Just put the egg in there, nice and thick. Probably never seen it like that. That's what it should look like. Not brown water with some shreds, a few bamboo shoots and a few bean sprouts in there, like at a Chinese restaurant. This is what it should look like. Nice hearty soup. Good. All right, that's it. Thank you. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. Thank you.